Welcome back to the Bubbu's Guide to the Unexplained. Anomaly number 54, the vending machine. There it is, in the middle of the high school. 4 coins, 1 gift. Today, me and my team of expert. Shut up, Bubbu! I gotta put a coin and see who picks it up. My coin passed it to Sally in question. Sup, dog? Now we're going to the behind to their sit in their table and learn to something to the combine. Oh, dude! What the? Did you see that? Grab it out. Oh, you grab it out, dude. Don't touch into the ghost vending machine. Okay. Here it goes. What? There's something, pack of Oreo. It says, hello, Bubbu and Croc. It knows our name. We're gonna just spin to this pack of Oreo. We gotta test it. What did I shave into my head this morning? A baby dog holding a powder ball. Dude, it knew! What? Ask it more questions! When is the end of the world? 3012. We got a while. Who's my dream woman? Hot tamales! Drinking Coke for the archive. What is this? Sometime was vending machine. Aliens built the pyramid. What are you doing? A Croc? It's a marshmallow that now. Who wrote the journal number 3? Who wrote the journal? We're finally get the answer. Is greatest high school in Bubbu and Friends. Nifty vending machine. Adjusting to the Sprite can of my drink it. No way, dude! There we go. Your Sprite can is just being and insulting me. Your fools are something to the great my knowledge. The era of human enlightenment shall never come to pass. It's tasty. What's that? Oops. Well, I conclude the Bubbu's Guide to the Unexplained. Will we learn what you didn't know? Do not the vending machine to this Sprite can. You drink it! Wait, where did that come from? Drink them! No. Show over!